Hello friends, good morning. Now I am here to help you lesson plan class 4 our wondrous world, the world around us. Previous it is called EBS. Now class 4 EBS new book, new textbook Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. It is published by NCERT. So now first chapter is living together. So living together चैप्टर्स में आप क्या बनाएंगे? सबसे पहले देखिए यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है कॉन्सेप्ट। तो कॉन्सेप्ट में आप लिख दीजिए विलेज स्ट्रक्चर्स। जैसे कि कहानी में चंदन का जो विलेज है, चंदन विलेज के बारे में बताया गया है। वहाँ चंदन जहाँ रहते हैं विलेज में, उनका रोड कैसा है, स्कूल कैसा है, वहाँ पार्क कैसा है, शॉपकीपर कौन कौन है, कैसे शॉप्स हैं, और वहाँ क्या क्या ऑफिस होते हैं चंदन के गाँव में। और दूसरा टॉपिक है, आप कॉन्सेप्ट में लिखिएगा कम्युनिटी हेल्पर। और इसमें फेस्टिवल्स की बात की कही गई है। और इसमें आप देख रहे हैं जैसे मील्स हैं जो तरह तरह के फेस्टिवल में बनाए जाते हैं। और कॉन्सेप्ट 3 में द बेनिफिट ऑफ लिविंग टुगेदर, वर्किंग टुगेदर इन कम्युनिटी। तो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को आप लिख सकते हैं। ये आपके लिए अगर हेल्पफुल है तो आप लिखिए, हेल्पफुल नहीं है तो मत लिखिए। सो देखिए ये लेसन लर्निंग आउटकम्स बच्चे क्या सीखेंगे? लर्न्स फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ हार्वेस्टिंग लाइक माघ बिहू ऑफ असम। It is started first day of Uruka festival, Magh Bihu, the first day of Assamese. It starts on 14th January. Now second learning outcome is knows facts about Chinar river of Chhattisgarh. In this way, Sikkim, the people who is working in Sikkim and working in agricultural field, the expert is called what? So in this type of knowledge the children can get. Now third learning outcome is knowledge and skills development. So through this chapter student can develop their knowledge and skill. Now coming to the pedagogical strategies. So what will be the pedagogy, what will be the method? The best method is storytelling. In this chapter Chandan village story is narrated, so you can use the storytelling method. In this area the Chandan's stories is narrated. Now second method is activity based method. So teacher can organize the group activity as well as individual activities like poster making, making of garland in a team with the help of flowers. Now third strategy is collaborative approach or strategy, that is focused on community in this chapter, working together for nature, people and environment. Now coming to the integration with other subject. तो इंटीग्रेशन हिंदी के साथ कर सकते हैं, इंग्लिश के साथ कर सकते हैं। Now name of book, name of tools. In this chapter various tools are given. So for example karni, trowel. So you can translate that trowel into Hindi, karni, ari, saw, and English language also development. Now integration with mathematics. Through the mathematical integration what we can do? We can make a garland with the help of flowers, counting flowers. Okay, planting trees in a row. How many trees you have planted in your surrounding, in your neighbor. So in this type of counting we can integrate. Now third integration is with math. The Bihu festival is celebrated on 14th January, the first day of Assamese. Now from 1st July to 7th July, one Mahotsav festival is celebrated all over India. So this type of integration you can do. Now coming to the assessment, what you can assess, how you can assess the students. Now you can ask the oral questioning about the GK and facts. Now you can give the written assignment, classwork, homework. So you can assess the children in this area. Now group activity, poster making, the making of flowers. So in this you can assess the students. You can give the project work, informative, collect the information about the Chinari river of Chhattisgarh. Now resource, what kind of teaching aids TLM you can use? Leaves for making plates, flowers for making garland, trowels, tool for agriculture. So demonstration, PPT on our helpers, special people who are working in agriculture field in Sikkim. what we call them. So special people of the Vidyalaya, gardener, security. Now 21st century skill. So student, sir and friends, you can use the communication skills, collaborative approach in community, how they work, how we can work, help in community. Now critical thinking, creative thinking. So these are the 21st century skill you can inculcate among the students. Real life application, the making garland at home from flower for purposeful. Now planting a tree at home and their surrounding neighborhood. So practically you can use this skill. Now the integration with family members, interaction with family members, and finding out VIPs in his and her society. Now plan organizer. Concept 1, the teachers can take the help from here during writing lesson plan. You may use your own thinking and own ideas, own views in spite of myself. Now concept 1, Chandan's village story, the tree planting festival, helping hands in our community, different kinds of work, occupations, material and tools used for agriculture. Do you now concept number 2, do you know activities, community of ants and bees and people, how they help each other in society, Sikkim's the agriculture, those who are doing the agriculture, what we call that particular people in a Sikkim. Now you Ruka, that is festival of Magh Bihu, they are making the Belaghar. So you can make the project of Belaghar with the help of students. The Chinar river of Chhattisgarh state. Now how leaves can use for manure. Now riddles, you can make the riddles and ask the children to solve. Name the place where people wait for their transportation. In this type of riddles you can make in your lesson plan and activities. Now importance of living together, critical thinkings, based questions like if people did not help in time or in needed, what happens when people are not coming to help you in your community. So this type of concept 1, concept 2, concept 3 plan organizer you can prepare. Thank you for watching video.